Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, we'll be using my square extra short soft gel full nail covers. These are a bestseller in my shop. You guys absolutely love these nail covers and I'm so happy because I love them as well. Also, my solid nail tip glue gel is officially back in stock. So I know a few people were asking, when is it going to come back in stock? So it's available. I just restocked this Monday, but I'll be sure to have the link to these full nail covers down below. As you can see here, all I'm doing is going in and sizing them out and really just making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. So for adhesion, I'm going to be using the Model 1's, this is the shade Nude, I believe. This is a phenomenal polygel. I love Model 1's polygel because the consistency and texture is just top tier. So I'm using that and alcohol as my slip solution. Oftentimes if you get polygel kits, they'll come with a quote slip solution, and honestly I've used like every single brand slip solution and alcohol just honestly works the best for me. So that's what I'm using. And I'm just going in and making sure that my full nail cover is covered wall to wall with the polygel before I apply. Also, I do have a boo-boo on my left finger. I was chopping and I accidentally cut my nail in half, so that was not pretty. So that's why I'm kind of struggling a little bit, if you could tell. I wasn't struggling that bad, but I typically do I'm right-handed, so it's just an adjustment for me. I mean, I feel like I can do my left hand pretty good, or use my left hand pretty good, but it was a little bit of a struggle in this video. But yeah, so I'm just going in and applying the polygel to the full nail cover, and it's really easy. You guys have seen me do this a million times, but if you're new to my channel, first of all, hi, but you just want to make sure that you're removing that polygel around your cuticles before you cure, because it is way more difficult to remove after. So you just want to make sure that you fully remove that beforehand. Oh, and curing times. I always forget to mention cure times. I never show it, and I should honestly show it in my videos or put like a little screen that says cure for like a few seconds so you know. The cure time depends on the polygel. If the polygel is clear, cure times are shorter. This polygel has a little bit of color to it, so I either do a method where I put on multiple nails at once and then go in and cure, or if my polygel is a little bit looser, more slippy, it's sliding more, then I'll cure each finger. So if you cure each finger, I would flash cure for 15 seconds, and then after all your fingers are applied, do a full cure for about a minute to a minute and 30 seconds. But if you do multiple nails at once, so that's how I typically do it. I'll do my 4 fingers, go in and cure for a full minute, and then I'll do my thumb, go in and cure that for a full minute, and then I'll typically go back in with all 5 fingers and cure for like another good 30 seconds just to be on the safe side. But you do want to make sure that you are curing your thumb and your fingers separately. So here's what the nails are looking like. We're just going to go in and do some quick filing. These are pre-shaped full nail covers, so the filing is pretty much already done for you. But this is an 80/80 grit nail file. This is available for purchase on Amazon. And I'm just going in and I'm doing a quick little shape up. The link to these nail files will be down below in the description. They're amazing. I love them. But yeah, that process takes a few seconds because like I said, the nails are already pre-shaped for you. And for polish, I'm using this shade by OPI. I believe this is in the shade KYOTO Pearl. I'm not even going to try and make a fool of myself because I'm not too sure how to properly pronounce it. So I'm just going in and doing a thin layer of that just to add some, it's exactly what the name is, just adds like a nice pearlescent shimmer shine to the nails, and it kind of adds like this underlying whitewash effect to it that like reflects in different lights. It's honestly a beautiful shade, a beautiful topper, and it pairs perfectly with a lot of nude and pink colors, but honestly any color. But I love the shade to like top off a nail, a simplistic nail look. Like you could just leave it here and be finished if you just apply like a top coat. We're going to add some bling to it, but I absolutely love this shade. It's definitely very versatile, and if you want to build it up to that shade, you can. So a lot of people ask me where I get my gel polishes from. I purchased them from this site called Beyond Polish. I don't have a beauty license, so if you go on like Amazon, you have to have a license to get it, but there's other sites where you can purchase gel polishes for OPI specifically. Some bigger brands, it's like weird like that, but yeah, that's where I get mine. So now I'm just going in with the Model 1's top coat and applying a top coat. You can use any top coat you like. This is just my personal favorite. And like I said, you can stop here if you want to keep it as a more simple look. We're just going to elevate it a touch by adding on a rhinestone. Actually, not a rhinestone. We're adding a 3D nail decal. This is a very cute, simple rose. And to apply that, we'll be using my solid nail tip glue gel. Again, this is finally back in stock. It took a few weeks, but link down below. And I'm just going in and taking a small little amount, applying that to the back of the decal, and then applying that to the nail. I prefer to use this to adhere my chunkier / bigger pieces because it does a really good job of staying secure on there. I love the drill point gel for rhinestones, but for bigger gems I like using the solid nail tip glue gel because it's a thicker, a little bit more durable. So last and final step is cuticle oil. This cuticle oil is a ultra hydrating cuticle oil. You do want to make sure that you are investing in a really nice cuticle oil. And here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. All the links will be down below in the description. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.